Hello kids, welcome to our video. So in this video, you will learn names of domestic animals and also learn spelling of animals. So let's start the video. This is parrot. Parrot. This is donkey. Donkey. These are ducks. Duck. Duck. This is bee. Bee. These are chickens. Chicken. This is deer. Deer. This is rabbit. Rabbit. This one is dog. Dog. This is horse. Horse. This is pig. Pig. This is cow. Cow. This is goat. Goat. This is dove. Dove. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned them well. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon.